Are you someone who wants to invest their money but doesn't have the time or energy to research, analyze, and manage your portfolio? Do you find yourself scrolling through social media or binge watching your favorite shows instead of looking at charts and financial reports? If that's the case, then this video is for you. In this guide, I'll introduce you to copy trading, a revolutionary way to invest in the stock market that requires minimal effort but can yield significant results. I'll show you how to do it all using a popular platform called eToro. So sit back, relax, and let me show you how you can become a successful investor with just a few clicks. Hey friends, if you're new here, my name is Ahsan. I'm a researcher, and on this channel we discuss business and personal finance in Germany. First things first, let's understand the basics of copy trading. Copy trading is a popular form of trading that allows investors to automatically copy the trades of experienced and successful traders. And the best part is you don't need to be an expert to do it. So now that you know what copy trading is, let's dive into how you can get started with it. To start copy trading on eToro, you'll first need to create an account on the platform. It's a quick and easy process that only takes a few minutes. Use my link in the description to register, and once your account is verified, you're good to go. Finding the right traders to copy is essential. On eToro, you can find and copy traders based on their trading history, performance, and risk level. You can even see the trader's portfolio and performance before deciding to copy them. But how do you determine which trader is right for you? Before you start copying a trader, it's crucial to analyze their trading history and performance. Look for traders with a proving track record and consistent results. Also consider the risk level of their trading strategy and ensure it aligns with your investing goals. If you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Alright, now that you have found the right trader to copy, let's see how you can copy their trades. Copying trades on eToro is easy. Once you have found a trader to copy, you can allocate a portion of your funds to their trades. All trades executed by the copy trader will be automatically executed on your account. But how does copy trading differ from traditional investing? In traditional investing, investors buy and sell stocks or other financial instruments themselves. But in copy trading, investors follow and copy the trades of experienced traders automatically. This means you can enjoy the benefits of investing without the stress of monitoring the markets and analyzing stocks. One of the most significant advantages of copy trading is that you don't need to be an expert to invest. You can leverage the expertise of experienced traders and earn returns without having to put in a lot of time and effort. Additionally, copy trading offers a higher level of diversification and reduces your risk. While there are many benefits of copy trading, it's also essential to understand the risks involved. The biggest risk is copying a trader with an inconsistent performance history or high-risk strategy. Additionally, traders can close their trades at any time, leading to losses for their followers. Once you started copying a trader, it's important to monitor your portfolio regularly. You can do this by logging into your eToro account and checking your portfolio's performance. You can also adjust the amount you're investing or stop copying a trader altogether if their performance starts to decline. If you have made profits from your copy trading, you can withdraw them from your eToro account. Simply go to the withdraw section and choose the amount you want to withdraw. It's important to note that there may be fees associated with withdrawing funds, so be sure to check out eToro's fee structure. So how can you maximize your profits using copy trading on eToro? Let me share some of the best practices for successful copy trading. Number 1, diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key when it comes to investing. You don't want to put all of your eggs in one basket, as the saying goes. The same holds true for copy trading. You want to spread your investment across multiple traders and ideally across different asset classes to minimize your risk. Number 2, understand the risk. Investing always comes with risks, and copy trading is no exception. You need to understand the risks associated with the traders you are copying and also with the market as a whole. Keep in mind that past performance is not indicative of future results, and even the most successful traders have bad days. Number 3, choose the right amount to invest. It's important to invest an amount that you're comfortable with that won't affect your financial stability. You don't want to put all of your savings into copy trading, but at the same time, you don't want to invest such a small amount that it doesn't make any difference. Point number 4, set realistic expectations. It's important to set realistic expectations when it comes to copy trading. Don't expect to get rich overnight and don't expect every trade to be a winner. Instead, focus on the long-term gains and aim for a consistent return on your investment. Point number 5, keep an eye on your portfolio. Even though you're copying other traders, it's still important to keep an eye on your portfolio. You want to make sure that your portfolio is performing as expected and that you're not exposing yourself to too much risk. Keep an eye on your trades and adjust your portfolio as needed. Point number 6, don't hesitate to cut your losses. Even the most successful traders have losing trades, so don't hesitate to cut your losses if a trader you're copying is not performing as expected. It's better to take a small loss than hold on to a losing trade and risk losing even more. Point number 7, don't be afraid to experiment. Copy trading is not a one-size-fits-all strategy. Don't be afraid to experiment with different traders, asset classes, and investment amounts. Keep track of your results and adjust your strategy as needed. If you think you are comfortable enough to start investing on your own, in this video I share how to invest in stocks for beginners. So thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.